Dog Jude say make I come meet you.
Dog.
Eh?
Hey! The first one, they find me inside terminology room. Now, the person will say you make you go find me in a dog Jude.
No, you tell me say anything where if I don't want to suffer myself, call person name, reach the beginning. Me abbreviation. Me ambubiri ahonyo on ambubiri. Abbreviation. I am oh, nah, father. Fornicate ebola ilu logwo no. Fornicate. Aga protein na ya na akwo. Adicate nga protein na ihe no na esi wa anokole ya maka gani ade mo ega okonga. If you hear what I hear, Chineke nnam, you are ready to burn down this house. Ya na akwo. O do not all ya na eme doctor na eme ha na akwụsa ihe ka ọwụ nwa ka amụ ka ọwụkwa bọmpere ka erigo vonem ya na akwụ nna annoyance bata m n'ime obi otu na annoyance enter into my mind o woto chiri Bible obi n'igwe na ntị sa Chineke nna anybody wey take hospital of God to take amere ebe akwamiko nna ihe ekọ n'ihe let their thing remaining into their thing ihe kọpagide ya atọ a na-efo That's good, yeah. Oh, man, yeah, bro. Let their thing remain into their thing. Yeah, put it there, yeah, bro. What the? Now, me talking.